Yo, this is a 2011 Infiniti M56. This is the rear-wheel drive version of the car. And today I want to show you the lift points, the front jack point for this car. When you have all the covers on there, all the underbody trim, you'll see a square cutout over there. That is what you use for as your lift point. So now I think I'm done doing whatever I needed to do with the car to my oil change. So let me remove the jack stand. And the way you use it is come up here, get your hydraulic jack or your floor jack, however you want to call that, lift it up, but don't forget to have a jack stand. Remember, jacks lift, but jack stands secure. It's a safety thing. So I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so there's nothing here, nothing else. Go ahead and lower this. I guess I'm doing it kind of backwards. I haven't shown you how you lift it, but hopefully you know how to use a jack by the time we're watching this video, right? This is just to help you get to the job a little faster. Remember to lower this so you don't damage your bumper, all right? If it gets it up there, it's going to damage it, so lower, lower, lower. It is pretty low, and it slides out. So here's the catch though. With the car down this way, how can you tell? Because looking at it here, I can't even tell where the square is, right? And well, I'm pushing the phone further in, and you can see the cutout right now. But when your face is right here, which is where most people's faces are going to be, and you push this in there, you can't really tell. Well, I can. I kind of know that the bumper ends right around here. So usually what I end up doing for that is using the scissor jack just enough. I raise the car just enough so that I can be able to see where that goes without damaging something. You don't want to jack like your steering rack or something and end up damaging that. On the other hand, when you come here, you want to look for the pinch weld, and that's going to be, if I could find the cutout. I'm trying to touch around here. This one right here. See, there's a notch over here, and I'm trying to show. There you go. You've got a notch, flat notch. Then over here it goes all the way to the front. So this part in this car, it's about what would you say, 6 inches behind the door seam? Yeah, around there. Some cars usually have like a piece of tape right here that indicates to you, hey, this is the lift point. Let's look at the back. I don't think the back really tells you much. For the back here, it is. Actually looks much clearer. Notch, notch. So you want to put your scissor jack right here. Okay, the rear doesn't really tell you much, but maybe 2 inches from here. Does that make sense? 2 inches from this protector here. Okay, I think that's it. I hope this video came out clear despite all the crickets and whoever else is screeching out there, cicadas or whatever. Okay, that's it. Good luck.